Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to install IObit Uninstaller. Because of YouTube's content rules, I'll only show the first method here, and the second method is available in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Open your browser and go to the official IObit website. The link is included in the description. It's the very first one. On the home page, click on Free Download. The installer will begin downloading automatically. Once it's finished, open the file. If you get a security prompt from Windows, click Yes. The IObit Uninstaller setup wizard will open. Click Install to begin. If something looks different or you're not sure what to do, check my Telegram channel. There's a detailed walkthrough in the pinned post. Once installed, you can launch the program right away. The free version gives you a lot of features already, but if you want full functionality, check out the second method. It's only in Telegram due to YouTube's policy. If this guide helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to visit my Telegram channel for the second method and more software tools. Thanks for watching.